first time using the rock rake on a Grillo walk-behind tractor. So far so good, but I do need to make some sort of adjustment. The first one, I might need to put some weight towards the end so I can have more traction to the ground. And then it's kind of curving to the right, curving to the left, so I probably need to put a pan to keep it going in the direction that I want it to go. But I'm gonna keep using it. Hopefully I come up with some more tip how to better utilize the tool. But it serves its purpose. It gets the debris off the ground so I can plow it next. But I do need to make some adjustment to fine tune it to get it exactly do what I want it to do.